Alright, we're gonna do the talk box with no talk box. I don't know if this has been done before. It probably has, but as you can see, no talk box. But I can make my voice sound like a talk box. Here we go. I made this little Roger. I don't know, it don't sound like Roger, but it sounds funky. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Alright, that's my real voice.
Oh, oh, oh yeah, do you know what you want to do right now? Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh. Ooh, yeah, you know what you want to do right now. Baby, oh yeah, oh, don't you do it, work like you want it tonight. Don't you want it tonight? Don't you want it tonight? Oh yeah, don't you want it tonight? Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, baby, oh yeah.
Don't you?
Oh yeah, do you want to get down tonight? Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, baby, oh. Do it. I'm done.